Everybody is looking for a healthier life. Start yours with us. Like, comment, and subscribe for your journey to wellness. Let's embrace nature's wisdom together. I'm sure you've heard the news. Pancakes can be healthy. Let's get cooking. First things first, grab a mixing bowl and let's start with the dry ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Next, let's mix the wet ingredients. In another bowl, whisk together 1 cup of almond milk, 1 large egg, a tablespoon of melted coconut oil, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, combine the wet and dry ingredients. Gently mix until you have a smooth batter, but don't overdo it. Heat up a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Pour about a 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake onto the skillet. Cook until you see bubbles forming on the surface, then flip and cook for another minute or so. Stack those golden beauties on a plate, and here comes the fun part. Toppings: fresh berries, a drizzle of honey, or even a dollop of Greek yogurt. Go wild, but keep it healthy. And there you have it. Delicious, healthy pancakes in no time. Perfect for a wholesome breakfast or a tasty snack. Give it a try and let us know how it goes in the comments below. See you next time. Before you go, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. Your support means the world to me. Thanks for watching. See you next time.